Today we're going to take down my lifetime 3-metre Fisher kayak, and I've made a modification. It's got a boat seat on it, on those tinnie ones. It's got a bit of this on it, which is a bit of aluminium. It's got the top and the bottom, so the bit slides in. You do up the sides, just like you do on a tinnie. The good thing about this is it actually will rotate all the way around. So we're going to give it a try and see how it goes. It's going to be nice and comfortable. Okay, kids' toys on there, daughter, son, and the other son's down there, and another one of these stand-up paddleboard things on the back. It's nice and light. It's got a set of nice big wide wheels underneath it, so I can walk it down to the beach. Okay, house, my wife, and our little dog. It's towing quite nice, just by a tiny bit of hand. It's a pretty heavy kayak, but it's alright for 12 balance. And there's where we're going, down there, which isn't that far away. Sit, good boy. Wants to jump out. He's going to get a free ride. About to test this out, and this is what I'm hoping, that I can actually sit on there, and then once I'm on, hopefully it stayed on. Otherwise, if it fell off, I don't know if it's fell off or still on. I think it's on. Right, I'm in. Now the idea is for me to go backwards when I get some more water. We're trying this out. It may work, it may not. Might be in the wrong, no, it's okay. Might be in the wrong spot. I already feel like I'm too far forward, actually. Nah, feels like it's too far forward a bit. It feels nice, it's sitting up high. It's brought the nose down a little bit lower. It definitely feels comfortable. High-ish out of the water. Now the idea is that I should be able to turn around. Looks like it's going to be a little awkward, I think. I reckon. Might be all straight forward. Don't know if the swivel bit's going to work. I don't think I can actually turn around very far. The seat is exactly. Oh. Feels like it's alright, but it's not how it's supposed to be. That's not a problem. Okay. Got your life jacket on properly? Got your life jacket on properly? Have you? Yeah, you're going well. Look at that, take for a ride. That's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, I know what's happened. The front of it jumped out of those things I made and fell down flat on the floor. See? Can you see it from there or not? That's why it's not leaning backwards. Here comes a strong breeze. Yeah, I'll aim straight into the strong breeze. There you go. And I'll just stay here. Or anything. Or seat just fell down the front. I need to chock the front of the seat up a bit. Just jumped out of the little rails I may have thought. That's alright, mate. Here we go, and straight over top of some kelp. You ready? I go straight over top of the kelp. You ready? It's going to come out the back. Can you see it? You watch what comes out the back. What'd you see? Can you see kelp? Hey? Giant piece of kelp, that's right. There's sand just here. I'm looking around for stingrays. This is all sand just here. You gonna go in, Charlotte?
I did! I fell off! I thought he fell like in there. Okay, back up! I'm filming this. Are you filming this?
Now isn't this a lot more fun, isn't it, eh? Rightio.
Is it off now? Keep getting rubber bands.
They're good boards.
Dad.
Hey, stay still and let's have a pusher.
Okay.
Right, stay. You just stand like that for a minute, Charlotte. That's all right. Yours is a little bit soft. I can tell both of them. But wait there. Stable still. See if I can actually just push you, nudge you along. All right. Hang on. Don't fall backwards. don't fall backwards. Because you're in the kayak. Tide's going out. Yeah, there is too. Yeah. Not you. You make that noise on me. And there you go. In and out really easy. Good. Okay. Now I'd say overall that set is a great success, apart from the fact that I didn't have it tight enough when I first put in the water and tightened up onto these clamps. Yeah, that goes into there. It won't move now because what I did, I came into shore, re-tightened it. Whoops, hang on. Re-tightened it and didn't look at the other side, so I tightened it up down off the clamp. So I should have looked at the other side and it probably would have been fine. So got to retry it again. But overall, just even the way it was sitting there, it was just comfortable because it's a boat seat. And the kayak's big enough. First we brought all our gear back up. Me and my daughter pulled that back up the hill. Well, hope you've enjoyed what you've been watching. Give you a few ideas on the boat seat. One of these things. These kayaks are really, really good. And then sit there and hang your legs over them. They're a good kayak. The Lifetime, the other name they're known as is the Dragonfly, I think. Lifetime, or Dragonfly is what they're known as in 3.0. Sports fisher. Good kayak. Solid. I've had 4 of these now. And 4 of them that I've had. Yep, I got rid of them one at a time, got rid of them, and ended up getting another one back. And this one might be going anywhere. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for watching.